The Elephone U Pro. Look at this. A 6-inch bezel-less Full HD AMOLED curved display. Protected by a Corning Gorilla Glass 5. It displays bright, vibrant, and accurate colors and details. And look at the screen per body ratio. This is what Samsung calls infinity display. But this display is even slightly bigger than the one you'll find on the Galaxy S9. And here at the top, you will find the 8 megapixel front camera that can also be used for the face unlock function, which is quite responsive and fast. This function is usually only available on the newest super expensive flagship phones. And when you look at the back of the phone, it doesn't exactly look like the Galaxy S9, but it still has a super sleek and curved design. You'll find the fingerprint scanner just below the camera. A dual 13 megapixel camera that takes amazing pictures, 4K videos, and some Full HD high frame rate videos for the smoothest slow motions you can get on a phone. Now, the whole glass body of the Elephone U Pro gives it a really premium feeling when you hold it. Obviously, what you have inside this phone is not quite a Galaxy S9, but the Elephone U Pro is still pretty powerful. It runs Android 8 using a Snapdragon 660 Octa core for CPU and the Adreno 512 for GPU. You can get it with either 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage capacity, or 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage capacity. On the top of the phone, you have a double SIM card tray. One of the slots can also be used to extend the storage capacity by up to 128GB by using a micro SD card. At the bottom, you'll find a speaker, a Type-C port for charging, and a microphone. Unfortunately, there's no headphone jack on this phone, which seems to be the trend these days. But the Elephone U Pro comes with a Type-C to 3.5mm audio jack adapter in case you want to use wired headphones. And check it out, it already comes with a case and a screen protector. As for the battery life, the Elephone U Pro has a 3500 mAh battery, which is bigger and lasts longer than most phones. Overall, this phone offers you impressive performances, reaching a score of around 130,000 on the AnTuTu benchmark. All that for less than half of the price of the Galaxy S9. Not bad, right? So if ever you want to get more information on the Elephone U Pro, or maybe even buy one, you can find a link in the description below. I think you should also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. You can also click right here to watch another video. Do it. Come on, do it, do it, do it.